Welcome back, guys. We're here at the dyno. We're fixing the dyno a red eye, and he's going to tell us what he's done to it and what we're going to expect.
What's going on, guys? This is a 2021 red eye, basic bolt-ons, full STG blower trifecta package, 1200cc FIC injectors, and just a piece of pump on E85.
What do you think it's going to pull on the dyno?
I have no idea. 850 maybe, 800.
Awesome.
Basic mods. Let's see what it does.
All right, man, let's go. We're back on the dyno, like he said, just a red eye with some basic mods, and he put it on E85. We're getting to make some pulls on the dyno. And E's Garage is out of Green Cove Springs, Florida. I'll hook you up with the phone number down in the comments section. He's the one that did the work on Harriet and then put the Kong blower. He does great work, so hit him up if you need some stuff. He's in right there south of Jacksonville. That's Owen, the operator here, and we do a lot of tune-up work there. He's fixing to hit it and make some pulls. Take a look and see what she made. Daggum, he was close. .884, 791 pound-feet of torque. That's pretty daggum awesome. Yeah, he was right dead on his guess. Alright, let's what he's going to do is he's going to send that tune off and adjust and make another pull. I'll show you the second pull. Okay, guys, we're making pull number 2. It went lean on him on the top end, so he's made some adjustments. We're going to see what it does on pull number 2. I'm not sure what he's going to do, but he's going to check it out and see what's going on. Let's take a look and see what it did. Honestly, I don't know what's going on there. I have to get with him and ask him. I don't think that was a full pull. I think he's checking out something. What's it doing, E?
These better fuel system. That booster pump ain't working right.
So he's not getting enough.
Nope.
Not
Drops
enough.
right at 5,000 RPM. He starts to drop fast.
So he needs a better pump.
Triple pump maybe.
Yeah.
More than likely.
Okay. All right, guys, you heard that. He doesn't have enough pump. He needs a better fuel system. Okay, guys, we're back. East solved the problem with the fuel system. One of the cables wasn't plugged in correctly. This is the third pull. What he did was he corrected the problem and made a second pull that we didn't record, and he wanted to test and make sure the fuel system was adequate. And I'll show you all three pulls over here on the dyno reading. But everything is corrected, the problem was solved, and this thing's a beast. 2021 Hellcat Red Eye, and like he told you in the first, he swapped it over to E85, and we'll take a look at here as soon as he gets done whatever he's doing. Let's go walk him, take a look. What he done was let the chiller chill it down. The final pull was 897 horsepower, wheel horsepower, and the torque was 794 pound-feet. Not bad. Not bad at all. Appreciate everybody watching. Hopefully you subscribe, like, and share for me. And we'll see if he makes another pull. And we'll go from there. Thanks, guys. Okay, guys, we're getting ready for the fourth pull. We sent the tune out to the tuner. He revised the tune. We're going to try to break 900 horsepower on the fourth tune. He's letting it run, letting the chiller chill everything down. Take a look. Exactly what he said. 902, 800 pound-feet of torque for the fourth pull. You can see the consistency all the way across the board. Great job. Alright guys, remember to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for everybody.